Good morning, dear students. Hope you all are fit and fine. Today, we are going to see with Unit 3, the second chapter, that is 3.1, on page number 62. The name of the lesson is Reading Works of Art. Now, in this chapter, the chapter is divided into two parts. It is about the art. So here the writer tells us about two different types of art, both attractive and specially in their own way. The writer of this lesson is Abha Bhagat. Let me tell you something, give you introduction about the author. Abha Bhagat is a freelance fine artist. She was an art teacher at school and art facilitator for children and adults of all ages in Pune. Abha has been working in child art since 22 years by designing process oriented activities. Wall painting with children is a unique concept pioneered and practiced by her. She had published some inspiring books for children. Her articles on understanding art have been published in several newspapers and magazines. So let us start. As I said in first only, here two arts are described. First, let us see about Sayyid Haidar Raza. Now, Sayyid Haidar Raza, popularly known as Raza, in India he is known as Raza, was a renowned Indian artist. He was a very famous artist. Simple geometrical shapes, striking colors, color combination, captivating compositions, these are some of the characteristic features of his painting, and so are the colors blue and orange. Now, as it is said that Sayyid Ali Haidar Raza is an what? Is an renowned. Renowned means famous. He is a famous artist, Indian artist, and he used to draw simple geometrical shapes, striking colors combination, captivating composition. Captivating means attractive. Captivating composition means attractive. These are the some of the characteristics features of his paintings, and this all are what the features of his painting. And so are the colors blue and orange. The most favorite color he used in his pictures are which? Blue and orange. You will find them in almost all his painting. None of his painting depict lifelike human figures or copies of scenes from his environment. Normally, whenever you see the pictures drawn by the artist, you can see the human figures or you can see the sceneries, mountains, everything. But if you will see the pictures of Sayyid Haidar Raza, he had never drawn the picture of human beings and sceneries. Okay, his painting belongs to the abstract style of painting. Now his painting used to be what? Abstract. What do you mean by abstract? Learn to conceptualize. Okay, style of painting. Such paintings are not inspired by any external factor. Now such type of paintings are not inspired by any external factor. Okay, by seeing anything they are not painting. They originate when the artist tries to peep into his own inner mind. Now these paintings are originated when the artist peep means when he see deep inside his own inner mind. Okay, they are made by arranging circles, triangles, squares, rectangles, lines, dots in different composition using effective techniques of applying paint. Now as it is said first only that he used to make what? Geometrical figures. So this all circles, triangles, squares, rectangle, lines, dots. It is his most Sayyid Haider Raza's paintings are of this different types of geometrical figures and they use different effective techniques of applying paint. After painting it, after coloring it, that paint becomes what? That drawing becomes very effective, okay, and very attractive. Techniques of applying paint: attractive color combination, achieving balance in some places and creating imbalance in other places. So due to this color, sometimes in some places it is what? It is attractive, okay, in with the color combination. Achieving balance in some places, there is balance in some places, and it is there are some place which is what? Imbalance. Raza found his painting through his study of Indian art and its heritage. Now, where did he found his painting? From the Indian art and Indian heritage. Cultural context and philosophy. From cultural context also and philosophy also. His picture seems to radiate peace and life at the same time. Now his picture, whenever you see his picture, at that time you can feel what? You can feel peace also and life also, okay, at the same time. We realize that painting is a visible form of very deep thought. Now if you will see his paint, you will feel that there is very deep thought, okay. Very few abstract painting communicate with the viewers as much as Raza's do. Now this painting, what Raza used to paint, different type of abstract painting, from that painting many of the people what? Get effective views, but many of them do not get, okay. So come to page number 63. Raza was born in small village in Madhya Pradesh. Where Raza was born? He was born in Madhya Pradesh in a small village, okay. He began to paint from the age of 12. His painting career was started from at the age of 12. He studied art at the Chitrakala Mahavidyalaya at Nagpur and then at JJ School of Art in Mumbai. So he had studied the art where? At Chitrakala Mahavidyalaya, where it was at Nagpur, and he had studied art where? In JJ School in Mumbai, okay. Later he went to France to study art. Again after that he went where? He went to France to study what? Art. After few years he decided to settle in France. After few years he decided to settle in France only, okay. His wife was French and he had married the girl from the French only, and she was what? French. He won national and international awards. He had won many awards, national also and international also. He was honored with all 3 Padma awards, and he was honored with all 3 Padma awards: Padma Shri, Padma Bhushan and Padma Vibhushan. These 3 awards were given to him. With all the awards and honors, his paintings were exploring a spiritual, metaphysical path. Now, by seeing his paints with all the awards and honors, this awards and honors he had got for what? For spiritual and metaphysical path. Now what do you mean by metaphysical? Spiritual means what? Pertaining to God, okay. Spiritual means what? Pertaining to God. And metaphysical means beyond physical matters, okay. Gradually the bindu or point came to be the core of his point of his painting. Now bindu, point means what? A simple dot, okay. It is known in Hindi or Marathi, it is known as what? Bindu, okay. It is also known as bindu. So this is what? It is a point. In English it is known as point, and in Marathi it is known as what? Bindu. So he started his painting. See, you can see here the painting. Actually it is one simple dot, and then it has made circle, okay. So gradually the bindu or the point came to be the core of his painting. He described his work in these words: My work is my own inner experience and involvement with the mysteries. Now, whenever he used to explain his painting, what he used to say, these were the words of Raza. My word is my own inner experience. My work. His work is what? His own inner experience and involvement with the mysteries. And it is an involvement with the mysteries. Okay. What do you mean by mysteries? Mystery means something that is difficult or impossible to understand or explain. Okay, if you will see this painting, I can't explain, otherwise so this is what mysterious, we don't know what is there in the painting. So that was what? That was the inner experience. Whose? Raza's inner experience. See, the paintings are given here. You can see the paintings of Raza over here. You can see over here. See, then here you can see the paintings. So what he said, that my work is my own inner experience and involvement with the mysteries. And mysteries, what is the meaning of mysteries? Something that is difficult or impossible to understand or explain. Okay, of nature and form, which is expressed in color, line, space and light. So what he's saying, my drawing is what? My work is what? An own inner experience and involvement in the mysteries of nature and form, which is expressed in color, line, space and light. Okay, sometimes an artist's thought appear to be too complex or even complicated when they are expressed through words. Now, there are sometimes we can't understand the artist, what he is thinking and what he is trying to explain us. So it is what? Very complex. Okay, when they are expressed through words. For him, the effective medium of communication is his work. Now, for Raza, the effective method of communication for him is what? His work, his paintings. His work means what? What he used to do? His painting. Raza had a great creativity. Now, Raza had a great creativity. His painting are very expensive. Now, his painting used to be very expensive. The great artist passed away on 23rd July 2016 at the age of 94. Now he is no more, and he died when? On 23rd July 2016. And at that time his age was what? 94. Leaving behind a legacy of sensitive painting. And he had left his all sensitive paintings behind. Achieved though extraordinary compositions of lines and color. And what we have achieved? He had achieved through extraordinary composition of lines and color, and deceived extraordinary compositions. And he had deceived what? Extraordinary compositions. Okay, I hope you have understood till here. In second video we will start with a new part of the lesson, that is new type of work of art. I request you all to read the lesson and hear the video again. Thank you. Have a nice day.